Antitrust competition law firms versus economic consulting practices. Which one is better for merger defense? You won't believe how often mergers fail because companies underestimate the regulatory scrutiny involved. The surprising truth is that a successful merger defense requires both legal and economic expertise. Antitrust or competition law firms specialize in navigating complex legal frameworks. They draft filings, respond to regulatory inquiries, and negotiate with competition authorities. For example, if two major telecom companies merge, a law firm ensures compliance with merger notification rules, advises on potential anti-competitive concerns, and represents the company during investigations or hearings. Their focus is on legal strategy and advocacy. Economic consulting practices, in contrast, provide data-driven analysis and modeling to support the merger's competitive impact. They quantify market share, simulate pricing effects, and produce expert reports that regulators rely on. For instance, economists may demonstrate that the merger will not harm consumer prices or market competition, providing crucial evidence to satisfy regulatory agencies. Their strength lies in objective, quantitative analysis. The key difference is legal strategy versus economic substantiation. Law firms craft the argument and navigate regulatory processes, while consultants provide the empirical backbone that makes the argument credible. In practice, companies defending large mergers almost always combine both. Lawyers coordinate filings and strategy, while economists supply the evidence needed to persuade regulators. The takeaway is clear: relying solely on legal counsel or economic analysis is risky. The surprising truth is that mergers are won or lost at the intersection of law and economics. Combining antitrust law expertise with rigorous economic support maximizes the likelihood of approval, minimizes delays, and ensures a stronger defense against regulatory challenges.